So now we are going to solve question like this. Here the questions here state that here we have 64 to the power of 1 all over 3 divided by 16. So now here in this case, we can solve this question in two ways. Either here we said now, since here we have this 64 to the power over 3, follow this rule of indices. The rule states that here in this case that cube root of 64 all over what? 16. Now it's equivalent to what? Now the cube root of 64 is 4 all over what? 16. Now 4 to the power of 16 is equivalent to what? Here 4 into 16 to 1 all over 4. Or we can say that here in this case, or in this case we can say that now since 64 and 16 they are all factors of 4, because here we have, since we know that 64 divided by 3 times what? 1 over 3. Because 64 to the power of 3 will give us what? 64. Here all over here with 16, 4 to the power of 2. Now this will become, here we said 4 3 times 1 all over 3, because it followed the same rule. We multiply powers all over 4 to the power of 2 equals to here 3 cancel out 3, remaining 1. 4 all over 4 to the power of 2. This follow the same rule. Here we have 4 1 minus 2 equals to 4 to the power of minus 1 equals what? 1 all over 4, just like in this case. If we take the first step, or if we take the second step, it was all the same. We will all arrive at the same one, at the same final answer. So now let's take this question now. Here the question says 8x to the power of 3 times 3x squared times 4 to the power of minus 4. So remember, the first thing we have to do here, we have to multiply these numbers here. Here is equivalent to here now, we say 3 times 8, 24. Then we take one base between the two, x. Since the multiplication sign between this, we have minus 3 plus 2. All over the same thing, 6x to the power of minus 4. So now here we say here, so 24 divided by 6, here we have 4. Here we say that x to the power of minus 3 plus 2 here, minus 3 plus 2 here is minus 1, all over what? All over x to the power of minus 4. So now, this rule, this 4 can come here, where we can subtract the powers. Here we have 4x minus 1 minus again minus 4, because we have to subtract the powers since the distinction between them. Now here we move up here, we have 4, we have x minus 1 minus plus 4. Here we have 4x minus 1 plus 4 is what? Is 3. So this is the final answer for that very question. So now let us look into this question now. For this kind of question, we have to solve this bracket first. So now here we have s to the power of 3 divided by t to the power of what? Minus 4 times. Now, we all know that this 3 belongs to this s and also belongs to this t. Since we have two powers here, then the rule says we multiply the powers. We will have that is s to the power of minus 3 times 3. Here we have t minus 2 times what? Times 3 again. So now this becomes, here we have s to the power of 3 divided by t to the power of minus 4 times s to the power of here 3 times 3 minus 9 t to the power of what? Minus 2 times 3 is minus 6. So now, look very carefully. Between this s and this s is division sign. And whenever division sign comes in, we say that we subtract the powers. Meaning we are going to subtract the power of this and this. Oh, yeah, we have s3 minus, again, minus 9. So between this s and this s is division sign, and we have the same base score with different powers. The rule says we subtract the powers. Then the division sign is still there. You say that divided by. Now, between this t and this t is multiplication sign. The rule says we add off the powers. Okay, we sum off the powers. Here we have t minus 4 plus minus 6. Here we have s3 minus plus 9 divided by t here. In this case, we have minus 4 minus plus here minus 6. So this becomes what? Here it becomes what? S to the power of 3 plus 9, 12 divided by what? T to the power of minus 10. So this here becomes what? S to the power of 12 here divided by t to the power of minus 10. This can still come up here and become what? S to the power of 12, t to the power of what? Of 10.